Why didn't I think of this before? I don't know. I just stumbled across the most basic and rudimentary thing for when you're sharing your videos on social media that I never really thought of before. Stick with me and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So in the past, whenever I've gone to share my videos on Facebook primarily, what do? I just copy the link from the video and I paste it into the screen, just paste it into Facebook. Now, that seems like a very rudimentary and fundamental thing that a lot of people do. But I came across the other day, and I kicked myself that I'd never thought of this before, considering I've been making videos for years. That if you pop your video into a playlist first, then when you're looking at that video on your playlist, you copy that link and paste it into social media, paste it into Facebook or wherever else you're pasting it, so that anybody who clicks on your video is going to watch that video. If it runs all the way through, it's going to run straight into the next video on your playlist. It's not going to just stop at the end of it. It's not going to maybe bring up somebody else's video. So, simple hints, but very sensible idea. I don't know why I didn't think of it before. Just put your video, once you've uploaded it, pop it into a playlist, like I said. And when you're watching it on the playlist, there's the address in the address bar. Just make sure you grab it and copy it and then pop it into social media. I must be slow. Maybe it's these grey hairs, I don't know. Anyway, I hope that is food for thought, and if you're sharing your videos on social media, try that. You might get a few more views. I'm Aussie Mark. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and if you thought this was a good little hint, please subscribe to the video, support me by hitting that big red supporter button, and give us a like and leave a comment. Thanks again. Take care. I hope to see you or see your comment on the next video. Bye for now.